Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. Before I get into this haul video, which you guys know is a haul from the title of this video, before I get back into this video, I just want to mention that in the video you are going to see that there is a sign that says if you buy 3 or more of these paper packs that they are then $5 a piece. Now that sale ended yesterday, okay, but they left that sign on today, and so I went into the store. They honored that sign, so I got all of my paper pads at $5 each. I cannot say that you guys will get that same deal, especially if your store doesn't have that sign up anymore, but there might be some other kind of deal, or you might be able to use like a 50% off coupon and get them at $10. I'm not really sure what kind of deal is next, but I just wanted to mention that before I get right into the video. So I'm so excited because I did get an awesome deal. It is my lucky day, my happy day. I got literally so much paper pads, so I cannot wait to share with you guys what I purchased. Literally, I feel like I bought the whole entire store. That's literally what it feels like. So much paper. Okay, so let me get into the video and I'll show you guys everything that they had in store. Not just what I bought, but everything that they had in store. There was a couple of them that I didn't buy. Like the vintage Christmas, I didn't buy that one, but I filmed in the store, so I wanted to show you guys all like the Christmas options they did have. But I did buy literally almost all of them. There was like 2 maybe that I did not buy. So I'll get right into the video. It's just going to be like a little flip through with some music on, and you guys could see all of the hot buy or all of the new Christmas paper pads they do have now, and they also had a coffee one that I really liked, so I have that in there as well. But yeah, okay, let me get into the video. Please don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below. Turn on your bell notifications so that you guys know when I post new videos. And I will see you guys I'll see you guys right after this, but also in my next video.